Columbia River Basin, Part 4. In the previous study, it was mentioned that the Columbia River and its tributaries have over 250 dams and reservoirs, benefiting agriculture and hydroelectric power. In Part 4 of this study we will review several dams including Priest Rapids Dam, Wells Dam, Rock Island Dam, Albeni Falls Dam, Oxbow Dam, Brownlee Dam, Dworshak Dam, Lucky Peak Dam, and Bonneville Dam. Our analysis will encompass a wide range of visual resources, such as satellite images, photographs, and 3D images, to provide some understanding of these dams. Priest Rapids Dam. Construction began in July 1956. Opening date was in 1961. It creates the Lake Priest Rapids and its capacity is 237,100 acre-feet. The Priest Rapids Dam is an important component of the Columbia Basin Project, a large-scale irrigation system that supplies water to thousands of agricultural acres in the region. It also serves as a major source of clean and renewable energy, with a total generating capacity of approximately 1,890 megawatts. The dam consists of a series of hydroelectric turbines that are powered by the force of the Columbia River's flow. It stretches for about 10,000 feet and has an elevation of around 494 feet. The reservoir created by the dam is known as the Priest Rapids Lake and provides various recreational opportunities, including fishing, boating, and wildlife viewing. Wells Dam. The opening date was August 1967. It creates Lake Patras with a total capacity of 331,200 acre-feet. Rock Island Dam. Construction began in 1930. Opening date was 1933. Rock Island Dam is constructed on Columbia River basalt. These basalts were formed from lava 14 to 16 million years ago. Albeni Falls Dam. Construction on the dam began in 1951 and was completed in 1955. The dam is 90 feet, 27 meters high and 775 feet, 236 meters long. Its spillway is 400 feet, 120 meters long. Oxbow Dam completed in 1961. Lacking passage for migrating salmon, it naturally prevents any upstream fish passage to the upper Snake River Basin. Brownlee Dam. Filling started in May 1958. Total capacity is 1,426,700 acre-feet. It lacks passage for migrating salmon. The Dworshak Dam is a sizable concrete gravity dam situated on the North Fork Clearwater River. Ranking as the third tallest dam in the United States, it was finished in 1973 and operates as a source for hydroelectric power as well as flood control for the river. Lucky Peak Dam. Construction began in November 1949 by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. The dam was named after a nearby mountain in the Boise Range. It was built without hydroelectric power generation, which was added in 1988 and generates electricity primarily for Seattle City Light. Bonneville Dam. At the time of its construction in the 1930s, it was the largest water impoundment project of its type in the nation. It was able to withstand flooding on an unprecedented scale. During this period, America was in the Great Depression, and the dam's construction provided jobs and other economic benefits to the Pacific Northwest. In Part 1, you were introduced to several key aspects. 1. The Columbia River. You obtained knowledge about the origin and endpoint of the Columbia River, a significant river in the United States. 2. The Grand Coulee Dam. This dam holds the distinction of being the largest power station in the United States. As an intriguing feature, you are also offered a 3D satellite image preview of the dam. 3. The importance of agriculture in the Columbia Basin. You explored the crucial role of irrigation sprinkler systems in transforming the Columbia Basin into a highly fertile agricultural area in the Northwest. The significance of agriculture in this region was emphasized. 4. Portland. You discovered the notable city, Portland, situated in the Columbia River Basin. This urban center holds significance owing to its advantageous position within the basin. In Part 2 of the study, we showed you maps that illustrate the Columbia River and its tributaries, providing intriguing information about each one. The rivers we covered during our discussion include Columbia River, Flathead River, Clark Fork River, Pandoriel River, Willamette River, Salmon River, Snake River, and John Day River. In Part 3 of the study, we looked at 3 dams called Chief Joseph, McNary, and Wanapum. This phase involved analyzing satellite images, along with photographs and 3D images of the dams. The aim was to gather comprehensive information and insights about these dams.